guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. Today's video is very special because I'm going to show you the very new set, that is the 2025 BMW Hot Wheels set. This set is very new and it is not available everywhere because it got sold out as soon as it came. So with great difficulty I have found this set. So before I show it to you, I would urge you guys to please like, comment and subscribe, and do check out my other videos, and please share this video and follow us on Instagram. So without wasting time, let me show you the Hot Wheel cars. We have the 2025 BMW Silver Line Series Semi-Premium BMW set. This is new for 2025. You have the Hot Wheels Silver Line Series there. And this is 1 out of 5. That indicates this is the first car in this series of 5 cars. And talking about the card art is fantastic. The color combination and everything matches the concept very well. You even have the BMW on the side which is written. Obviously this is the set. And now let me show a few other details at the back of the card. So the month and year of manufacturing is 2/2025, that is February 2025. The month and year of import is March 2025. The MRP remains the same, that is $299 each. So now let me show you the cars in much great detail. So at first you have the BMW M1. So the card art was fantastic. So now let me show you the car. So this comes in the orange color. And the wheels could have been a little better, but no problem. And talking about the front details, you have the painted headlights and you have a tiny BMW logo placed there if you observe carefully. And talking about the rear end, you have the tail lamp details, and with the number plate detail, you have the Hot Wheels logo on the number plate. And talking about the top of the car, it is quite nice and the detailings are very cool. And talking about the base, this comes in a grey base. I'm not sure if this is plastic or metal. Do let me know in comments. And all the cars in this set are made in Indonesia. So this is another detail that everyone should be aware of. And overall, this is a very cool car. This is the first car from this set. So let's move on to the next one. The next car from this set is this wonderful car. So you have this very cool car here, and card art again is outstanding. The number of this car is 2 out of 5. That again indicates it's the second car in this series. And talking about the car now, look how nice it is. I must say this color is very cool and it matches the wheels very well. This is the 2016 BMW M2. Now talking about the details, you have the painted headlights and the grills there. It is so perfect, and you even have the tiny BMW logo there. And on the windshield, you have the performance written there. Again, very nice. And now talking about the rear end details, you even have the BMW logo. With it, it is accompanied by the tail lamp details and the number plate details. And mind you guys, look at that. This car even comes with the side view mirrors. Again, it is very nice. And this is one of my favorite cars in this series. And now talking about the base, this comes with the black base. So I'm not really sure which car has a metal base or a plastic base. So do let me know in comments, and do let me know what you think about this BMW set. So now let's move on to the next one. The next car that we have is little overhyped from this set, and this is the 1992 BMW M3. Again, the card art is fantastic, and if I had to compare the card art with other cars, I would say this card art is the best one for this set. This is 3 out of 5. That is the third car from this set. This is the 1992 BMW M3. Overall, this car has a lot of decals on the doors, and the wheels is so nice. I love the wheels. Now talking about the details, look at the amount of detailing it has in the front. So it even has that painted headlights, and of course it has the painted the logo there which is placed there. And this again comes with the side view mirrors, and there's that spoiler there. It is so cool. This again comes with the tail lamp details, number plate detailing, and the BMW logo. Overall, this is another very cool car, and it gives a lot of retro vibes. And this is the top of the car, and now going to the base, this comes with the black base, and overall the base is also quite detailed, which is very nice. And this is a little heavy compared to other cars. So now let's move on to the next car from this series. The next car that we have is the fourth car from this set, and overall the card art is again very nice. I love the blue color which is used for this card art, and you have the BMW again there. It is there in all the card arts. Now talking about the car, this is the BMW M4. I in fact have a BMW N4. Maybe I bought it in 2018 or much before, but that is uncarded, and I have it in blue color. Overall, the color combination in this is very great. And guys, all you might be seeing the different models have M1, M2, M3, and M4. M simply means it is motorsport. So that is BMW Motorsport set. So now let me show you the details here. The wheels is so cool, and I love the wheels. In fact, this is one of the first cars that I have in my collection with these wheels. So now talking about the details, so you have the painted headlights with the logo, and there's a lot of cool artwork there on the bonnet of the car and even the doors of the car. And then it even has the petrol tank details. With that, you even have the side view mirrors. And talking about the rear end, it comes with the painted tail lamp, and this is actually missing the number plate detail, but it comes with the BMW logo there. And talking about the top of the car, this is the top of the car, and it comes with the black base. Overall, this is another very cool car. So now moving on to the last car from this set, my other favorite from the set, and I must say this is the heaviest car in the set. This is the 2001 BMW M5. The number of this series, the number is 515. This is the last car from this set, and card art is again very nice. More than the card art, I love the car. So let me show you the car now. So this car, as I told, it's quite heavy, and this is 2001 BMW M5. And look at the wheels there. It is so nice there, and it even comes with the petrol tank details. And now let me show you the front. It comes with the painted headlights, and the grille detailing is epic in this car. And this comes with the BMW logo there, and doors and everything is pretty cool. It even has the Hot Wheels logo here. And talking about the rear end, it has the painted tail lamp, and it has the number plate details. It even has a spoiler. Overall, most of the cars have number plate detailing, but only one car is missing it here. And again, talking about the base, this comes with a cool detailed base, and this comes in black color. So this was the 2025 Hot Wheels Silverline Series BMW set. Do let me know in comments which one was your favorite, and which one do you hate, or which one do you like the most from this set. Please share my video across and subscribe to our channel. Please follow us on Instagram. So this was it for now. So see you guys in my next video.